scenes of the video.
Totally.
My eyeballs burning.
Damn.
It hurts.
Remember when I said it, you were like, nah, it doesn't do anything.
And then where are my glasses?
Mine right here.
What is UJ's crying? I'm just making her emotional.
Her with her Chinese.
She's
Chinese.
She's crying so bad.
Oh god, I'm so done.
Are you crying because Tal left EXO?
Totally.
I
I
keep,
don't want to know.
oh my god. I keep wiping my eyes, but I still have onion parts in my hands.
I'm so done with you guys. You're crazy. Y'all came running to the bathroom crying. I was like, did someone cut themselves or something?
Oh my gosh, I feel like the smell is coming all the way back here in this. Oh my god.